How to do a green screen in CapCut. Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up these simple steps. So open up your CapCut application and select up a video first in which you would like to add the green screen to. For example, I have already selected this video. Once you've selected the video, all you gotta do is, once the video is selected, tap on the effects option in the bottom. And then from effects, you need to select up a video effect, tap on it, and then select up blur, search for blur, and then select up blur from the given options. Once you've selected blur, you will be finding it like this. So you may just go ahead and make it to the similar, ratio of the video, like the time. After that is done, you can head back. Once you head back in the bottom, you should be finding different editing options again. Look for the overlay option, tap on it, and tap on add overlay. After tapping on add overlay, you may select up the green screen video that you would like to add and tap on add again. And then make it like this and make it the ratio of the previous video. Once it is placed like this, you may go ahead and select up the green screen video. And from the editing options below, swipe right and locate up the option called remove background. Tap on it. After tapping on remove background, you need to select up the option called chroma key, which is on the third. Tap on it. And after that, you may just drag this selector like this at the background and tap on right. And then when you go ahead and play the video, you should be finding the green